Now we're going to start with the process of our cured meat. Right here I have a cut of beef, salt, sugar, and a mix of seasonings, spices. This is clove, uh, black pepper, cumin, and cinnamon. All smoked, just a little bit in a pan, just for the scents to flow out. First, what we're going to need to do is, in our bowl, we're going to put a base of salt and sugar. Now our base is ready, so we're going to put our meat, but first we're going to put our spices into the meat and then the meat into our base. The next step is to cover completely the meat with another amount of salt and sugar. This is going to be our final step. Finally, we're going to put our meat in a plate we're going to rest. This could be outside or inside the refrigerator. I choose inside because I know this refrigerator I'm going to open in any moment. But if you're going to open your refrigerator in several moments, the best is that you can let it rest outside. This is our meat. Now I'm going to clean all the salt, sugar, and spices and see how it looks. Okay, this is our meat 24 hours later. The changes. The meat is harder. All the meat getting harder. You can see it have moisture on the outside, but I can feel less moisture in the inside. So this isn't able to eat. I can eat this. I can't eat this. So what I'm gonna do is to make another bed of salt and put it other 24 hours and see how it looks 24 hours later. This is my second batch of 24 hours of cured meat, and now my meat is already been in salt for 48 hours. I'm going to take out the meat and show you how it is. Right here is a 48 hours cured meat. The meat is very tender, very hard. It have a little bit of moisture, really so less. It have nothing of moisture, very tender. Now I'm going to make a cut and see how it looks for inside. The color of the meat for the inside is darker than the normal meat. As you can see, pretty dark, pretty hard, the meat. So this meat is now cured. I hope the video is alright, and thank you so much for watching. Now I'm going to start with the smoking process. Right here I have two beef steaks. This is to make something like beef jerky, known in USA like beef jerky. So I don't need too much time of smoking, just some hours, and this is going to be ready. I'm going to use some salt, pepper, chili flakes, and for the smoking I'm going to use mesquite wood, some coal, lemon skin, and laurel. So this is going to make only smoke, and it's going to smoke my meat. I made this smoking chamber with my own hands. I hope it work. If this not work, so I'm going to need to do it again. But I really hope this work. So I'm going to marinate the meat, and I'm going to came back when is okay. My meat is marinated and ready. Is hanging in the part of the smoker. So now I'm going to ignite all my my materials for the smoke it, and let it smoke for a few hours with a lid on. Lid made also for me by me. So I hope this worked, and I came back with the results. Well, this is my final product. The meat, smoked beef. You can see it's very dry. For all the time is spent smoked. It have a very strong smell of all the things we can use to smoke it, and it's very salty. It's very salty, and it's something like a beef jerky. I hope this is a good video and you like it. Thank you for all.